Legal dictation number 11, 100 words per minute. Ready for the dictation. Start. Shri Kamal Sehgal, learned counsel, argued that sections 134 or 135 have no application in the present case. Full stop. Corporation was slashed by an operation of law. Full stop. The liability of the surety is coextensive with the principal debtor. Full stop. This does not affect the right of creditor to recover the amount scaled down by operation of law. Full stop. Therefore, the fact is that the principal debtor stands absolved by virtue of an order. Full stop. It will not absolve the surety of its liability in terms of the fact that he stood as a guarantor. Full stop. Corporation has a right to recover from the guarantor the amount due and payable by the principal debtor in terms of the guarantee executed by the petitioner. Full stop. He would submit that the moratorium period has been referred by the Bankruptcy Law Reforms Committee as the calm period and no disturbance is permissible. Full stop. Other than by way of lease, it is clear that even possession of a corporate debtor is protected. Full stop. Bankruptcy law enshrines a claim period where creditors stay their claims. Full stop. This gives a better chance for the firm to survive as a going concern for the period of 180 days. Full stop. Committee recommended that the assessment must ensure a calm period where the interest of the creditors can be protected without disrupting the running of the enterprise. Full stop. During insolvency period, there is a time-bound moratorium against debt recovery actions, and if any new case has been filed, moratorium on debt recovery action should be done. Full stop. Since the motivation behind the moratorium was that it is value maximization for the entity to continue operations, there would be no additional stress on the business after the public announcement of the IRP. Full stop. The order for the moratorium imposes a stay not just on debt recovery actions but also on any claims or expected claims from old lawsuits or on new lawsuits for any manner of recovery from the entity. Full stop. The moratorium will be active for the period over which the IRP is active. Full stop. Moratorium period is to ensure the suspension of debt collection actions by the creditors and to provide time for the debtors and creditors to renegotiate their contract, and this requires a moratorium period in which there is no collection or other action by creditors against the debtors. Full stop. It was observed that there is no difference between a case in which the mortgagor was adjudicated insolvent on the date of the institution of the suit and case in which the mortgagor is adjudicated insolvent during the pendency of the suit. Full stop. Close.